Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about creating a weather application in the Python. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to copy paste this code snippets to our Python application. Okay, so here we require the replace with your open weather map API key. So here we go with the open weather map. So let's get the key over here. Okay, so here you can see that we have a API docs, so you can use the API docs from here. So here you can see, and which we are using, that is open org data. So let's check that if there is org data, whether lat long and the API key, not this one, we are using 2.5, not this one also. So these are the endpoints we can use. Currently I'm using the 2.5. Let's see the data of that one. So first of all, we have to update the API key. So sign in, already sign in. So let's go to the API keys. So here we go with the my profile, my API keys. Let's copy these keys okay, and paste it into our application, right? And here we have to define the city which I want to get the weather. So basically I'm going to add our uncomment this following this one. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to pass Chandigarh, my current city, the weather report. Okay, let's try to hit it over here. So python 3, python 3 main.py .py, and here we get the Chandigarh temperature. Okay, let's have a look. Current temperature, Chandigarh temp weather, Chandigarh. Okay, so 29 degrees Celsius currently. Here you can see that humidity 31%, so humidity 55, wind. So you can see that what the API giving, that one it is coming over here. Okay, so this is how you are able to get the weather information of your city. Let's dive into the code level what exactly we have done. So very easy, get weather. So here you pass the city, or if you want to pass the latitude and the longitude, then you can use the one of the APIs of this one. So API. Okay, so here you can see that we have API docs, right? So here we have the all the informations. Okay, so here you can see that if you have the lat and the long, okay, so that is also giving you the all the information. Okay, units is also there, and example API call, here you can see, and what the information you get, it you will get this one, lat, time zone, current. Okay, and here we have hourly, temperature, everything you will get it from here. So you can change the API accordingly, right? And here we have the base URL, then response, so requests to get the data from this URL, data.response.json. If data code 200 is the status code, means code is this one, then we are going to mapping the data and print the data. Else we will say that the city not found, and here we are calling the function with the param of city we have passed. Here you can see that get weather accepts of its function, accepts the arguments that we have to send it over here. Okay, so this is that one, so you can use it. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.